The venue for the Megan Boswell murder trial will be discussed tomorrow.
Megan Boswell faces several charges in connection to her toddler daughter's death. Her daughter was the center of an Amber Alert that spanned several states in February of 2020. A few weeks later, Evelyn's body was found on a family member's property in Blountville. Later that year, Boswell was charged with 2 counts of felony murder in her daughter's death.
Ansley Daniel has been following this case since the beginning. Ansley, what is expected to happen tomorrow?
Yeah, Sarah and Casey, Megan Boswell will appear in Sullivan County Court at 1:30 in the afternoon. Whether the trial will be held in Sullivan County, though, is set to be the topic. Judge Jim Goodwin will preside, but he may not make an immediate ruling. The motion for the change of venue comes from Boswell's former court-appointed attorney, Brad Sproles. Boswell's current attorney, Gene Scott, previously told News Channel 11 that he would prefer a change of venue instead. That's where a pool of jurors from outside the area would be brought in, but the trial itself would still be held in Sullivan County. Both Sproles and Scott say that the change in venue motion is due to the notoriety of this case. But Sullivan County District Attorney General Barry Staubis believes a fair jury can be selected locally. The state filed a response asking the judge to deny the change of venue and veneer. In that filing, the state argues that the state and extent of the media coverage in this case has been limited because the Sullivan County Sheriff's Office, the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation, the state, the court, and the defense have refrained from releasing or commenting on the facts and evidence at issue in this case. The first stage of the jury selection, though, has already happened. It's been through a questionnaire. 168 people were surveyed, and of those 168, 155 had heard about the case in some context. 102 of those surveyed had formed an opinion of some kind. 74 of the 102 said that Boswell was either guilty or probably guilty, and 34 people said that they would be unable to set aside their opinion on hearing the evidence. And 28 people did not say what their opinion was or that they were unsure. Now, this is expected to be discussed in court tomorrow, but both sides might not be ready to argue it, so it could be continued. It's unclear how long this hearing will last, but I do expect it to be lengthy compared to the other appearances. We'll be live starting at noon tomorrow, and of course, we'll bring you the latest on air and online all throughout the day.
Ansley, thanks, and you can find all of our previous coverage of this case under the Justice for Evelyn section of our website.